In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this 3D scene using CSM AI tools. The first thing you want to do is break down a scene. So starting off, I'm using this image and I'm using our Chat to 3D tool. Essentially, you're wanting to generate images of objects that are within that scene. So here I'm prompting to just get the white and gray machine that's in this scene, and here it will show you in just 1 second. I was then given just the machine on a flat background. I then took it into image to 3D, and I used the single model and our base model, which is good for more complex meshes, and I kept the textures as none, and I bumped the poly count all the way up to get the best details. Here are some other examples that I used the Chat to 3D tool for. I was able to get the box, the conveyor belt, the wooden pallet, the tire, the rims, the mat, and a couple other objects as well. The key is to tell it exactly what you're wanting. So the next step would be to generate 3D models from these images that we just generated. As you saw before, I generated with just the base mesh, but here we're generating with the parts with auto assembly. I like to do 3 times. It'll show me different variants. As you can see here, I had 3 different options to choose from. I enjoyed this option the best, so I went with this one. I used this model for multiple different objects that I used in the scene, and then I also used just the single image to 3D as well on some of the objects. The objects with the multi-colors are the parts based. The next step I took was creating the scene in Blender. So everything in the scene was made with our tools except for the wall and the floors. Everything else was generated using CSM. I hope this video was helpful and shows you what you can make using CSM. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!